Hi, this is about digital marketing course. So in this digital marketing course, what are the things you will get to know? Digital marketing, for every business, they have to have a digital presence. So without that, we can't market any product or services in this world, in this modern digital world. So every business has to have a digital presence at any form, right from the websites, right from the social media presence, even YouTube channel, all the things, it does matter for all the companies to sell their products. So for all the business has to exist because of digital presence. So the opportunities are more in this digital world, in this age, and this is must to learn more about digital marketing, to take this kind of a training, because it will give you career growth, for each and every one of you who is studying or part-time job, or you can earn, there are multiple it's just digital marketing is an ocean. So it gives you more opportunity to earn more money. And even if you just learn the social media marketing, just like Facebook, if you just know how to do the Facebook marketing, you can earn more money. Even right from the school students, right from the schooling, right from the college goers, everyone, you can earn. It will give multiple opportunity for you. So if you know how to market, or how to create a business page in Facebook, how to sell the product, how to boost the the services in the Facebook, you will get it. That is one thing. That is primarily, a lot of people are using it. And also, more people are focusing on the Instagram marketing. And also more and more people focusing on Google AdWords, Google Analytics. So Google AdWords, you have to spend more money, and how to make more business out of Google Ads. Okay, that is a different story, and that's also giving you an more opportunity. Okay, so there are a lot of n number of opportunities if you just learn Google AdWords, how to do the Google AdWords, and also to get to know about how we can boost up our page in Google SEO marketing. So search engine optimization is another ocean in digital marketing. So that if you learn how to do the SEO for any company, that is one of the opportunity. So in this context itself, we have seen so many opportunities like Google AdWords, SEO, Facebook marketing, Instagram marketing, and of course YouTube channel, video marketing. That is essential in these days, because video is very very effective medium. If you do the ads like video, that is you can sell any product to the potential customers. You can attract potential customers through these kind of ads. And how to do the marketing, that is again during the course you will get to know all these things. Again, once it comes to a social media, there are a lot of social media social medias are there, like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. LinkedIn is one of the most effective tool again, and you will get to know in this course. And that is another ocean. So you will get more and more opportunity. So there are a lot of different kinds of variety of learning in this digital marketing course itself. So you will get opportunity to how to do the effective digital marketing in all these medium through our course. The Career Mudhra is focusing on more on, the experts are teaching you. They are working the real-time environment, and they are giving you more real-time scenarios, how to improve your product, how to improve your service to this digital world. So please visit our website for more information, careermudra.in. And also you can always contact us through WhatsApp, email, and also our Career Mudra YouTube channel. Thank you so much.